Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can clone or pull code from GitHub directly to your Visual Studio Code IDE. So first, open your VS Code and go to extensions by clicking here, or click the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus X, and here search for GitHub pull requests, and you'll get a bunch of options. But you need to click on this one from GitHub that is named GitHub pull requests. Click on install, and once this is installed you'll see this. Now click on the settings here and open command palette. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus P, and now type git clone. Hit enter and you will get this, where it will ask for provide repository URL or pick a repository source. Now what you need to do is go to your GitHub and choose which repository you want to clone. So if I choose this one, my first website, as you can see this URL will pop up, and the URL format which you want to copy is github.com, and then the username and then the project name. So if I go here, this is not a valid URL because URL is search, QPython and so on. So if I click on some project here, let's say this one, as you can see again the format is github.com and then username and the project. So this is the format that is valid. So I'll copy this one and go back to Visual Studio Code, and again go to settings and command palette and type git clone. Click on git clone and paste it here, and now just hit enter, and now it will ask where you want to clone the code. So let's say I want to clone the code in projects folder, and a new project folder will automatically be created. So I'll just select as repository destination, and it is cloning right now. So once the cloning is complete, you will be asked this: would you like to open clone repository? I'll just click open, and as you can see, okay, if you're asked this, just click I trust authors, and here you will see index.html, style.css, and your code is cloned. So my first website project is here. Now if I go to my D drive where I had just cloned it, inside project, as you can see, my first website project folder is created, and here we have our code. So this is how you can clone and pull directly from GitHub. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.